Hey guys, I'm Jess.
And I'm Addie.
And today we're making
Pizza! Jess, go get the ingredients.
Okay.
Brum, 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 brum.
So, do you need help with anything?
No, I'm good. I got it.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy.
Are you sure you don't need any help?
No.
I brought the dough and ingredients. We should make the pizza now because I'm starving.
Okay, sure, but we need the dough to make it into a taco.
Okay.
Okay, add the sauce and the cheese now, Jess.
Sure thing, Addie. Okay, go get the pan, Addie.
Okay.
Here, put the pizza on the pan.
Okay. Hey, Jess, go get the car.
Okay, oof. Okay. Bring in the car. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven. There you go.
Okay, bye guys.